Oh, what is this? What are you doing?
Well, I'm serving out some rice and peas for my lovely customer.
What is rice?
This is rice and peas from Jamaican style. So what we do kidney bean.
Yeah.
And we do our favorite little knickknacks. We put our little stuff inside to make it a bit more extra better than it would normally be. Veg for you. I put some vegetable for you. This is Jamaican steamed vegetable.
Yeah.
You know? Thomas choose choice was Oxtail. So we
Wow. Wow.
only £15, but it's value for money.
Anybody can buy it.
Yeah. And very, very tasty.
Where is this? Peterborough.
This is Peterborough, 639 Lincoln Road. The oven, nice and tender. As you can see, no hard cut into pot.
How long you cook this?
This one been cooked slow cooking for maybe 2 hours.
Yeah.
And maybe a little bit more. You see how soft it is, ready for coming out
What's
the
the
door.
sauce is this?
Sauce is barbecue jerk sauce. Goes with the jerk chicken. Very nice.
Anybody can buy it.
Yes, anyone can buy it at 639 Lincoln Road, Jamaican Delight. See, we give you value for money.
What's the price?
This price for this one is £13.
Just.
But I promise you, if you come and eat in, it's a little bit bigger portion.
What is this? Spaghetti, macaroni, vermicelli?
This is mac and cheese. Oh shit.
No.
This is mac and cheese.
Давай, do it. Давай.
This is mac and cheese. Not your regular mac and cheese that you would have had. This is Jamaican Delight signature mac and cheese.
Yeah.
One mac and cheese.